The girl who stole lightning. Long ago, when the earth was young and the skies were wild, the gods kept the lightning locked high above the clouds. Only the Sky King could use it, and he guarded it with pride. "Lightning is too dangerous for humans," he said. "They will burn the earth with it." But down below, the world was dark and cold. Storms came, but never light. Fires were weak. Nights were long. Until one day, a bold village girl named Elira looked up at the sky and said, "If the gods won't share their fire, I will take it myself." The elders warned her, "You are just a child. You cannot climb the sky." But Elira only smiled. "I may be small, but my spirit is tall." So she set off. With a feather from a mountain hawk, a pouch of river stones, and a slingshot made from her brother's fishing line. She climbed the tallest tree in the world, then leaped from its branches onto the clouds. The sky was loud. Thunder rolled like drums. Winds pushed and pulled, but Elira kept going. At the edge of the clouds stood the Palace of Storms, a tower of glass and wind where lightning slept in silver jars. Inside, the Sky King sat on a throne of clouds. When he saw Elira, he roared, "How dare a mortal enter my skies?" Elira stood tall. "The people are cold. We need your light." The Sky King laughed. "You think you can steal from the sky?" Then he threw a bolt of lightning at her. But Elira was quick. She rolled, jumped, and launched a river stone from her slingshot. It hit the king's golden crown, knocking it sideways. The wind stopped. The sky went silent. The Sky King stared at her, then began to laugh. "You are braver than I thought," he said. "Very well. I will give you 1 jar of lightning, but be warned. If your heart is not strong, it will burn you." Elira bowed. "My heart burns for my people." She returned to Earth with the jar. When she opened it, the first lightning danced into the sky. It struck the tallest tree, and fire was born. From that fire, the people learned to cook, to stay warm, to light the night. They told stories of Elira, the girl who climbed the clouds and brought back the fire of the gods. And sometimes, when thunder rumbles and lightning cracks, parents tell their children, "That's Elira running across the sky, watching to see who still dares to be brave." Life lesson. Even the smallest voice can challenge the strongest power when it speaks with courage and heart. Elira reminds us that true bravery is not about size or strength. It's about standing up for what your people need, even when the whole sky stands in your way.